Hello, you may have received a message in regards to downloading the CAASPP and LPAC exams Test Secure Browser app. The easiest way to do this is to visit the school website, scroll down to the News and Announcements section, and look for the LPAC CAASPP Assessment Secure Browser announcement. Please review all information, which actually includes the fact that if you have a school-issued Chromebook, there is no need to download the program as it is automatically updated and already downloaded onto your child's Chromebook device. There you will find the download link here. Please click on it. And in that new window or tab, you will find all the instructions for the different operating systems. When you scroll down, you will find the different operating systems. For Windows 8 or 10, please click on that top tab and download the Test Secure App Browser here. There may be extra instructions if you own a Windows 10 or 10 in safe mode. If you own a Mac OS X or Mac OS computer, you will click on the Apple icon, download the browser here, and download the secure profile here. Please follow instructions that are provided. However, if you own a personally owned Chromebook, meaning you purchased a Chromebook, you cannot download the Test Secure app for that Chromebook. Therefore, it is important that you request a Chromebook through the school as well. You can find that link here. The access code is LAUSD 2020. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at roberto.valadez@lausd.net. Thank you.